Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a Safari private window. Press Shift-Command-N or choose File New Private Window. Do this now because privacy begins with isolation. Once done, notice the dark Smart Search field and the Private label. That tells you cookies and browsing history will not be stored locally. Make sure to close regular windows first if you want only private tabs active. You'll still sign into sites when needed, but Safari avoids saving the local trail of pages and searches. Now use private tabs for focused tasks. Open new tabs with Command-T and keep sessions separated. One private tab per account reduces cross-login leakage. Disable or limit extensions from Safari settings extensions if they leak data. Some extensions still operate in private mode unless toggled off. Also, remember downloads and bookmarks will persist on your Mac, so move sensitive files to encrypted folders or delete them after use. Once finished, close the private window to clear cookies. To finish, close the private window. That ends sessions and removes local cookies and history for that window. Double-check Safari history to confirm. If you find sites still tracking you, clear cache and cookies in Settings Privacy, manage website data, and disable problematic extensions, because some trackers persist via cached resources. If tracking is external, use a reputable VPN to mask your IP address. If pages refuse login, disable private mode temporarily, then re-enable once the required cookies are set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.